In this video I'm going to show you how you can delete video on your GoPro, so let's get straight into it. Now first power on your GoPro and then go to the video mode. So this is the icon at the top middle, as you can see. Then what you're going to do is just swipe up and here you see a video. Then what you need to do is just simply tap on it to show these settings, and then here at the bottom left click on the um, delete button, so trash can, and then here you have some warning for delete. If you are sure, then keep delete or keep. So if you press keep, you won't delete the video. If you delete it, you will delete the video, and that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.